All right, so welcome to the Hershey Show, the 2024 Hershey Show, and we are at Brinkley. We're going to be taking a look at the 2025 Model Z Air 310. We're really interested in this model because we love the floor plan and we love the aesthetics, and they've done a few things that I think you're going to like. So we're going to check it out today on Home on the Hitch. All right, guys, so welcome back. Yeah, we're at the Hershey Show 2024. First rig we're taking a look at is going to be this new, just being released here, Brinkley travel trailer, the Z Air 310, and we were really looking forward to seeing this one. So take it away, Mel. Well, we love the aesthetics of Brinkley, number one.
I'm just excited to be in this travel trailer right now because this has everything that we talk about that we want and,
right.
and that we need, and you know, it just fills a lot of our boxes.
So let's start in the kitchen here.
So you have this table which works as a great workspace.
Yeah.
It has, you know, areas for your cable so you can run your monitors and whatever, but it's really versatile. You can configure this in any way that you like. You know, you can slide the table to one end or the other, and move the chairs around. There's a little wine rack underneath where you can have some knickknacks. This does push in and store so that when the slide comes in, and you can pull it out even further
for extra room.
So you can
way out there. Good grief.
So you can seat 4.
Yeah.
Plus it has.
There we go.
Plus it has hidden storage.
Yep. I like the chairs.
Yeah, I really like the chairs. These have USBs and a wireless charger.
So that's nice.
Yeah. And check out these frameless windows. They are framed.
Right.
But they have the European slides. European shades in it where you have blackout shades.
And then I think from the bottom you've got day shades in the bottom.
Not on this window.
Oh, okay.
This window.
Yeah.
The screen. This window doesn't open, so it doesn't have a screen.
I guess it doesn't need to have that then, huh? Pretty cool. I like having that built in.
Right. I like how the lights are flush with the ceiling, so you don't banging anything around.
Yeah.
And the placement of the light switches are amazing. So they're up high, so you're not bumping them, or they're under the cabinets where they're easier to reach.
So let's check out the cabinets here.
This is amazing. This is one giant pass-through storage.
It's pretty big.
You can put all kinds of things up there. Your books,
Are they soft close? They are.
They are. Look at that.
That's nice. Soft close cabinets.
Amazing. I like the furniture that they chose to put out. This will, of course, mix into a bed. They did think of utilizing all your spaces for extra storage.
I know that opens. There you go.
Yeah, so you can, you know, put your remotes and other little knicky-knacks in there.
Both sides, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then it has a shelf underneath also, so it's a great place to, you know. I like the little fireplace.
Still got a fireplace.
Mm-hmm. And then you have a place to store your DVDs or whatever. You have some outlets in here. You have the televator. Which is there,
yeah. And that way, you know what? You can shut that thing down and you don't have to stare at the TV if you don't want to.
Right.
It's kind of wall-to-wall windows in this whole unit, and it brings a lot of light in. So if you're not watching TV and you don't want to stare at it, you can put it down. So it's kind of little touches like that. This is, you know, no rig is perfect, but there are a lot of nice touches in this one. Got the dog bowls built in. I like that.
That's
really
great.
Actually,
very smart.
Very handy to have. The kitchen slide is not a toe kicker. It's an actual full flush floor slide, so I do like that.
I like the solid countertops.
Yep.
Very modern. The oven is nice. It's the larger size of the Furions. We like those. And then we have a micro convect.
Is it? All right.
Yes. We have a trash bin, which is great, you know, because you never know where you're going to put your trash can.
Yep.
And then they thought enough to put a paper towel holder in here also.
Right, these are all the Brinkley touches, you know, that we've seen.
Right. Such large storage spaces.
Well, and I like the fact that it's pretty open under there. Like in ours, we've got underneath our sink, we've got like pipes galore just coming down, and there's nowhere to put anything, and that's completely open, and you can actually use that area to store.
I think that's true with most RVs. You know, they just kind of put things in here. I really love the modern kitchen sink.
Like the fixture.
Check out this refrigerator.
Yeah, I'm sure that is a 12-volt Furrion fridge. It looks like it's locked shut.
Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that.
But it's a 12-volt, I'm pretty sure, Furrion fridge, which is great because I believe there's solar already on the roof.
Check out this pantry, y'all.
Adjustable shelves.
Adjustable shelves. It has an outlet in there if you want to put your coffee pot in there, or a mixer. Light comes on automatically.
The lights and the touches are nice.
And in case you're wondering, the globes are plastic.
Yeah. So at least they won't break.
Right.
This is a little weird.
Such storage. That's a scrubber brush for.
I thought it was just. thought I was gonna be shaven by the kitchen sink.
No.
So a little coffee bar area, whatever you want.
Taco bar.
Taco bar. Yeah, taco bar. What? Yeah, beautiful. I'll give you a look at that right quick so you can pause and look at all the specifics. It's got a 370 watt solar panel with a 60 amp MPP controller, inverter prep, and lithium ready. Dual pane windows, which is a big deal.
Here's your control area.
There's your dimmers, max air fan, slides, tanks, all that kind of stuff. Nice hooks right there.
It's the attention to detail.
The finish that we have.
Right, look, it even comes with a toilet paper holder that is
Love it.
attached to the wall.
Yep.
Cute sink.
Nice size shower, the shower tower.
Thoughtful shelf area.
Yep, rack for towels or whatever you want. On into the bedroom.
Okay, so you can do a queen or a king size bed in this unit. I do like the curtains. They have little blackout curtains with a little shelf on top. That's really cute. And the over the bed storage. That's very handy.
Got these cool little hooks on the walls. I like. You just doop, you can hang up whatever you need to.
On demand.
Yeah.
And then you have some large cabinetry here.
Yeah.
That is also passed through to the bathroom right here, so you can put your towels and things in.
What's that in there? Is that the water
This
heater?
is the gas water heater.
The Truma or I don't know what
temperature control.
I don't know what brand it is. We'll look when we see outside, but I believe it's a tankless water heater.
Large drawers. It does have hidden storage.
It's even got a sticker to tell you that it's hidden.
Just in case you missed that.
Yeah, grab that side. Show the folks. So it's nice. I mean, you put not hiding a whole lot in there, but this shade actually goes left to right. I guess.
So you have your blackout shade, and then this window opens, but it has a screen in it.
Yeah.
But you get a second screen.
Day shade.
Day shade.
Yeah. TV up on the wall, Insignia TV. Looking over here to the big old cabinets across the way here. You got a lot of storage on this wall over here. So.
Oh, and I love that it has added drawer space.
Yeah.
In here, these are nice, big, deep drawers.
This side over here is going to be your washer dryer prep, or your stackable. I think this would be where you would put your washing machine. That's where you would put your dryer.
Well, this has a CPAP. And yes, it has an outlet and a vent.
And so, you could put a combo unit on this side over here because it's got a vent over here as well.
There is a vent in the pantry as well.
So I guess you've got a couple of options of where you want to put it. Now this unit has, there's nothing down below because this rig has pass-through storage, which is one of our huge complaints for our rig is that we don't have we have limited storage on our rig, and that's really our biggest complaint with it. We love the floor plan.
Look at the floor space that you have in this bedroom also.
Oh, it's amazing.
Plenty of room. And you have this whole area to turn around.
Right.
And there's no carpet.
Yep.
And there's no floor vents.
I love that there's no carpet.
And it has the Whisper AC.
Yeah. They're not ducted, and these are the Furrion chill ACs, and they're the latest and greatest, I believe. Not ducted, very quiet, but you can run, as Melissa pointed out, both ACs on 30 amp because I think they're inverter based from the factory, and that's a big deal from the factory, being able to run both of your ACs on 30 amp. So big deal.
Huge.
All right, let's step outside and take a look at some other features that we really like. So, got solid steps here. So here's the specs on the Model Z Air 310. We're looking at unloaded vehicle weight of 10,961. Gross vehicle weight 14,495 with a hitch of 1,086. So got some pretty impressive specs. Walking around the front, we'll take a look at this first pass-through storage. Nice thick bag of stores with magnetic hinges up there. And you've got to pass through all the way through from one side to the other. Inverter prep sticker up there. Here's your MPPT charge controller. There's a mail on the other side over there. So got a little shower, cable hookup on this side for external TV. So you've got two battery disconnects right here, one for storage mode and one for travel mode. When you do the travel mode, it disconnects everything except for your refrigerator, the solar panels, and the jack. So that's pretty thoughtful. Slam latches, love it. On the front here, where the propane tanks are, you have this awesome cabinet. Your two 30-pound propane tanks go in there. Exterior batteries right there, and you got a more storage compartment right there. But I love, yeah, that just looks good. It's nice. The BAL auto leveling system comes standard, so if you have a travel trailer and you've been wanting auto leveling, here it is from the factory. Opening up this other side, another thing that really impresses me about this rig that I really like, is it comes with power dump valves from the factory. Love it. It's got the Nautilus system in here and a hose reel for your freshwater hose. Amazing. Love it. So coming around, you've got the standard under the bed exterior storage. We have this on our rig. Pretty much on ours, this storage and a little bit of storage here on this side is all we've got. That's pretty big under there. Let's take a quick look. It's noisy over here. Your Furrion tankless water heater, that's what I thought. We can't get to it, but I think that, if I'm correct, yeah. So there is storage in the back there. So that's pretty awesome. So these big slides right here, or this big slide, and I think the big slide on the other side are rack and pinion slides. This is the Lippert Slim Rack side over here, and I really haven't had any exposure to that, so I don't know anything about it. But so there's sewer hose storage there, and I believe an output for the gray tank and an output for the black tank, which I like separate outputs for both, for black and gray. I don't like those. Ours is piped together before it exits the trailer, and I like it being separate. I would prefer just to have a T outside and have them separate. So Brinkley's doing it right from the factory with these 110 PSI tires, road armor with the greasable wet bolts and the huge shackles from the factory. And I believe I can see it right on the top of that tire. I can't get under there, but there's shock absorbers from the factory. So that's a big deal. The ride on this one's going to be a lot more comfortable than a lot of other things you're going to be from the factory. And they're thinking about these little things, and they're going ahead and doing it for you so you don't have to do it when you buy the rig.
Check out the lettering that they chose for the Brinkley. It's bubble lettering, and then they have a little bougie logo.
But I think this would be a definite contender for us.
So this is perfect. This is just like the floor plan that we have, that we love, except for it has a little more storage and it's updated and a little more modern. So
It is.
that would be an
This
ideal
is
move.
a big maybe in the future for us. So we do like this a lot.